Gotcha. Yeah. 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 Be honest, especially this stuff. You should be able to. Yeah.
Put on your antennas.
Dang. I think so. What about it?
I want someone to make one for me for a remote control car.
Oh, that'd be sweet.
Someone had one in that backyard car. They actually had a triple pole right there. That's not even the better they're talking about. Dude, them figures are fucking over $100.
What?
Yeah. They're molded plastic figures. They're called antenna dancers. They're like a chick like this, holding onto the pole, and you put it on the antenna, and the wind spins her around and you ride it. Whoa, look at that, bro!
I knew you was gonna get up it. That's why I said keep going, Brian. Oh, get out that little rut and come more down, yeah, or up, yeah. Run up top and catch that ledge. Yeah. You talking about a car?
Let it lower yourself. And that would be a pretty cool video, I'm not gonna lie, to actually allow this one to go down slowly while that one holds on to it.
Yeah.
That would be pretty good. That would be a
Yeah.
I've always driven really capable of those things driving vehicles in this class one.
Yeah.
And you can't make it over stuff because of all the limitations with the bumper and the tire size and all that.
Beautiful day, Bobby.
Dude, I beat the shit out of this truck, man. They are. It's all stock except for the ESC. I don't know why it goes for you, though. Wheels probably weigh 2,000 pounds up alone. Self-made river?
I don't know. It's sweet looking. You can walk up that railing down that little line. That dude that was with us, he crawled his truck up that whole thing.
Ryan, watch out for that French drain.
Nice day.
Are they gonna win today? Hope so.